Hi everybody, today we will be unboxing a new laptop that I got from Dell. It is the Alienware 51M. This is called by many, including I believe PC World, as the new holy grail of gaming laptops. I finally received this laptop after about a month of waiting due to parts availability. So it is a very difficult laptop to get apparently, and I am very happy to be unboxing it with you all. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, this is the case that it shipped in, so I have the Alienware logo here. And there's not really much to this case, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and open it. Let's see. I can just, rip it up. That works too, y'all. So now we have the case that it really comes in, and so this is the white Alienware 51 case. I actually got this unit in Dark Side of the Moon. I did not like the moon or light look, so I actually decided to get this unit in the darker, more traditional look for a gaming laptop. So this unit, as you can see here, is the Alienware 51M, and the specs of the model that I got should be a RTX 2080 and an i9 9900K, so that is a desktop series extreme i9 chip. Let's see, how does this come up? Hopefully I'm opening this the right way. Yes, I am. So here is the unit. It actually is upside down in the case, and so this is what it looks like. You can see this nice, sleek, dark cover, and Alienware 51 logo, and the Alienware logo here that I believe lights up. In the back, you can see that huge honeycomb-style venting system, and all the venting on the right and the left, and the honeycomb panel on the bottom of the system, as well as all of the ports on the back that should include the Ethernet port, an HDMI port, a mini display port, and an Alienware graphics amplifier port. Additionally, you should see here that there are two power ports because this unit should actually require two power bricks. So this should come with a 240 watt power brick right here, and a 330 watt power brick here. So yes, this thing actually requires two power bricks to be stacked on top of each other. It's very similar to a previous laptop that I owned called a Titan from MSI. So let's see what else this thing has. As you can see here, it also came with some warranty and instructional information. But let me see. Yeah, just some general information. So taking a look at the inside of the system, we should have the Alienware chiclet keyboard, as well as the dedicated trackpad button with dedicated buttons down here, as well as the 144 Hz display with Tobii eye tracking and G-Sync. The Tobii eye tracking should be the newer model, so it should have the infrared lighting should be on a spectrum that average people cannot see, so it shouldn't really bother anyone. In the end, this laptop will cost about $6,500, as I will be installing a 32GB SODIMM module, as well as about 1.5 terabytes of MLC SSDs. We will be covering a disassembly, hopefully, in another video, so stay tuned.